Morning YouTube. Just deciding to do a bit of ploughing today. Ploughing for some oilseed rape. It's a bit wet outside today for combining wheat, so we decided to take too early this morning and get a bit of grind turned over, brine side up. Another couple of hours and we should be finished, and then we'll see what the way things are going from there. What have we got here? We've got a kverneland ES85 540 number 28 boards. This is its third day out. I'm pretty pleased with it so far. A wee bit more fine tuning to do to it, I reckon, but we'll get there. And we're hooked on the John Deere 6930. She's 10 years old. Not 10 years old this week. She's only got 5,300 hours. So yeah, that's today's plans. Let's see how the rest of the day goes.